Hey everyone, welcome back to AJ's EO Infusions channel. Ever since I launched my signature lip butter scrub, so many of you have been asking about other ways I use essential oils in my daily life. The success of our lip butter scrub inspired me to experiment with even more essential oil applications beyond lip care. Today, I'm sharing 3 of my favorite essential oil secrets that I've developed through my product research. These are techniques I use personally that aren't in my product line yet, but they complement the lip butter scrub perfectly as part of a complete essential oil wellness routine. My first secret came from the same research that led to the cooling sensation in our lip butter scrub. I wondered if these oils work so well for lips, how could I adapt them for whole body wellness? The answer: shower melts that release energizing scents with steam. You'll need 1 cup baking soda, 1/3 cup water, 10 drops peppermint, essential oil, that's the same high quality oil I use in my scrubs, 8 drops wild orange essential oil, 5 drops rosemary essential oil, and a silicone mold. Simply mix the baking soda with just enough water to form a paste, not too wet. Then add your essential oils and stir well. The key is using premium oils like the ones in my AJ's EO Infusions line. Quality makes all the difference in the aromatherapeutic effects. Press the mixture into your molds and let them dry completely overnight. Place one on your shower floor away from direct water, but where it will get wet gradually. As the water hits it, the melt slowly dissolves, releasing an incredible aromatherapy steam that helps clear brain fog instantly. I love starting my production days with these. The same peppermint that gives our lip butter scrub that refreshing tingle works wonders for mental clarity when diffused this way. My second secret builds on the balm base I perfected for our lip butter scrub. I realized that same nourishing base could be adapted for other purposes. This is my desk refresh balm. It takes literally 30 seconds to apply and keeps me focused during long product development sessions. You'll need 2 tablespoons beeswax pellets, the same grade I use in my scrubs, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 5 drops eucalyptus essential oil, 5 drops lemon essential oil, and 3 drops peppermint essential oil. Yes, my favorite. And of course, a small tin container. The process is similar to how I make my lip butter scrub base. Melt the beeswax and coconut oil together, remove from heat, add your essential oils, and pour into your container. Let it cool completely. Now, whenever you need a quick refresh, just rub a tiny amount between your palms, then cup your hands over your nose and take a few deep breaths. You can also rub a little on your temples or the back of your neck. While our lip butter scrub takes care of your lips, this balm supports your mental clarity. They're perfect companions for a complete wellness routine. My third essential oil secret completes the daily wellness cycle. After nourishing your lips with our lip butter scrub before bed, this nighttime linen ritual creates the perfect sleep environment. You'll need a small glass spray bottle, half a cup of distilled water, 1 tablespoon of witch hazel, 8 drops of lavender essential oil, pharmaceutical grade, like all oils in AJ's products, 4 drops of vetiver essential oil, and 3 drops of cedarwood essential oil. Combine all ingredients in your spray bottle and shake well before each use. About 10 minutes before bed, lightly mist your pillowcase and the air around your bed. The combination of these 3 oils creates the perfect sleep environment. What makes this different from regular pillow sprays is the specific ratio and the addition of vetiver, which works on a deeper level to prepare your body for sleep. I discovered this combination during the research phase for my lip butter scrub night formula that's coming soon. These 3 essential oil secrets show just how versatile and powerful AJ's EO Infusions can be. From the lip butter scrub that started it all to these complementary rituals that support whole body wellness. I'm so excited to share even more insights from my essential oil journey. Tuesday, I'm publishing a detailed blog post about 5 unconventional essential oil pairings that complement our lip butter scrubs formulation. And on Wednesday, I'm releasing a special podcast episode with my complete guide to 5-minute essential oil DIYs for daily wellness. You'll get 12 original recipes, including some variations of the lip butter scrub formula for different needs, all using the power of essential oils. I hope you enjoyed these essential oil secrets from behind the scenes at AJ's EO Infusions. Let me know in the comments which of these secrets you're most excited to try alongside your lip butter scrub routine. Thank you so much for your continued support of AJ's EO Infusions. Make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss the blog and podcast dropping this week. And if you haven't tried our signature lip butter scrub yet, check out the link in the description. You can find links to previous videos, the subscribe button, and our lip butter scrub product page right here. Thanks so much for watching.